Alright, I'm making yeast starter wine. First thing I'm going to do is I want to heat this up to about 110, and then I used about a half a teaspoon of the yeast nutrients. I used just 1 teaspoon of sugar and about 2 half cups of the juice out of each one of these bottles, and now I'm just going to heat it up until it gets about to 110. Alright, now that it's almost right on 100, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to pour it into this one. Then I'm going to take my yeast, and this is the one I always use. I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to wait for it to foam. Once it gets about halfway up, I'm going to transfer it back into the juice. Alright, now that's about halfway up. Just going to get the foam back down. And I'm going to use this half a cup, and I'm going to put 1/2 cup back in each one of these jars. Alright, now the process is started. You can see the balloons are standing up now. So once they go flat, I'll know that's when it's ready.